Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's live stream. So I'm getting on this live stream, bros, because the VeVe, right, the platform, it has a lot of updates, a lot of great news, guys. Also, a lot of FUD going on. For the ones that do not know what FUD means, it means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So a lot of FUD going on this morning, guys. Why is that? And that is because OMI, right, is actually dumping, is dropping. But so what? It's normal. After a big spike, guys, not just a big spike, a massive spike that OMI did, right? Now it is dumping. And I think one of the reasons is because people are hearing that Uniswap is delayed. So the talk is that you're right, that VeVe and Ecomi, the devs are not keeping up their word. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain that because everyone is seeing that Uniswap got delayed. It didn't get canceled, first of all. It got delayed to the 31st. So we're going to talk about that, guys, because there's a lot of FUD. Now, once again, OMI had a massive spike. And even with the dump, I bought in at 0.002. And I think it went as low as 0.007 right now. So what are you talking about? Over 200% gains still for me. Okay. So now as well, guys, it's going to keep going up. And I'm going to bring you something by Greg Scone that I want you guys to see. When he sold his Bitcoin at only, I believe, I think he sold his Bitcoin at $8 or no, he sold it at like around 8 cents, and he was kicking himself because Bitcoin went to $8. Look at Bitcoin now, $60,000, right? So, guys, this is absolutely normal. After a massive spike, a dip comes in. Uniswap is not canceled, it is delayed. So, there was a great video that came out this morning. And the ones that got informed, right, we know better. But for the ones that did not get informed and they're just listening to other people that didn't probably even see the video, they're making everybody else panic. So, talk about Black Friday sale on a Monday for the OMI tokens. So, we're going to go ahead, guys, and explain this because it is very simple what is going on right now. So, either way, let's go to the live ticker, which is the first thing that I want to go ahead and show you guys. So, let me actually log into my Bitforex, show you guys the ticker right now on what is going on with OMI. So, let me pull that up. Either way, everybody, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live stream. Great for you guys to be here at the time. And right now, I am pulling up my Bitforex. I did do a video yesterday on how to transfer your OMIs to the Trust wallet. So I hope you guys checked it out. And I really hope that it helped you guys out. So good morning, Roman. As you see, Salfa, what a great time to buy. Definitely a time, man, to buy in because the highest that I bought was at the penny mark. And man, I wish I could have go ahead and get on in this drop. And I actually have some money, guys, on my Anchor USD that is pending. So it's like it sucks because I have USDT money that is pending, hasn't cleared yet. So I wish it would clear today so I could actually get in on this drop. But guys, right now, right, we're looking at Bitforex. And as you see, right, 0.0088, guys, OMI had went to as high as 0.013. Okay. So it was massively pumping, right? Just what was that, like 3 nights ago? And now, guys, is down to 0.088. I wish I could pull this up on actual trading view, but it's giving me issues. I'm not sure if trading view actually carries this, but I know Bitforex is using trading view, right? Because I could actually show you the gains if I could go through trading view, but I'm not seeing that option. But either way, guys, 0.0088 over here where I'm at. Let me zoom in more. Right over here where I'm at, it was at 0.0135 all-time high. This was 0.0136. All right. Oh, I'm going too fast. Let me zoom out just a little bit more so I can show you guys these dates. Okay. There you go. Okay, there you go. So, like I said, all-time high right here, 0.0136. That was March 20th, right? We are right now on March 22nd. So people are just mad because OMI didn't take you to the moon in 3 days. Is That's the reason why you guys are upset? Investing is not for the impatient, okay? So again, March 20th, it just reached 0.0136. Now we're down to 0.088, and everybody wants to go ahead and sell. This is absolutely normal. If you're an amateur, if you're a rookie, if you're a newbie, all right, when it comes to investment, this is absolutely normal. OMI had a massive spike, even to where it's at right now. I am still up, if anything, by 300%. All right. So this coin has gone up, guys, incredibly fast and is doing perfect. Now, right now, guys, would you buy? Would you sell? Would you hold? Right? I would definitely go ahead and buy. And I'm holding on, right? I'm holding on to OMI, guys, because I see so much potential in this project. So I'm definitely going to hold on to the dollar mark and reassess myself at that time. That's why I'm trying to make it a goal to reach 1 million OMI tokens. Now, I am not telling you to buy. At the end of the day, you could take my advice and you don't have to, right? You have to do your due diligence at the end of the day, but it has spiked up massively. We were just at 0.002 not too long ago, right? So this was March 20th. Let me go ahead and full screen this. This was March 20th. And if we go down over here, right, this was at, let me see, this was at a penny mark, March 19. And let me keep going back, March 18, 0.008. And let me keep going back in the charts, guys. So I could stop right here. Look, March 15, we were at 0.005. March 15. So today is March 22nd. So, guys, what is the problem? You're talking about 7 days, right? This has massively rose up. Now, it has dumped. And now in March, what was that? Let me keep going back. Let me keep looking at the dates. March 10, 0.003, guys, in March 10. So it's like I said, I am still up, man. Like, I don't know, 400%. And look at that. It's going up right now, guys, because there's opportunity to buy. So for the ones that actually sold the paper hands, you're going to be kicking yourself because if you bought OMI at, like, let's say over a penny, look how fast right now is rising up. You actually lost money right now for selling, right? And for the ones that bought like me at 0.002 and you've been buying less than that, we've been seeing great gains, over 400% gains, honestly, guys. And look at that. Right now, it dropped to 0.007, the lowest I believe it was. Now it's at 0.009 because people know it is the time to buy. And if I had money right now to throw at it because it's not cleared, I would have definitely gotten on at this time. It's like these drops for OMI only last a couple of minutes. In this instance, probably lasted an hour, and it's going to be fluctuating. But at the end of the day, I see this climbing back up very quick, guys. What an opportunity to actually go ahead and get in on this right now. Sell so I can buy at a discounted rate. Yes, a lot of people, man, just with paper hands panicking. And guys, because the reason for this, right? And I believe that, oh my, we're going to have a lot of amateur new people, is because Ecomi with the VeVe platform is bringing first time buyers into the crypto world because it's not the token that got them, it's the actual digital collectible. So we have a lot of people, right, that are new that they're going to have paper hands. So this is something that you guys have to go ahead and think about as well. The great thing about the VeVe platform is that it is bringing people who have never been interested in cryptocurrency before. But thanks to the digital collectibles, thanks to the augmented reality and how cool the platform is, it is bringing a lot of new amateur investors. So they have never seen something like this before. So, of course, they get worried, they get panicked. And then, for example, on the Telegram group, I don't like the Telegram group for Ecomi because there's a lot of futhers on there. Okay, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But guys, what a great time to actually get on this. So definitely, if I was in your position, if I was in your shoes, man, I'll buy some more. Forget selling. It is a time to actually go ahead and buy. But at the same time, guys, disclaimer: not a financial advisor. You have to go ahead and do your own due diligence. But OMI has done massive gains, probably 600% gains when it was at its highest. Not even, probably like 800%. And like I said, guys, right now, just myself, I'm up still a good 600% where it's at, 500% where it's at. So it's done some massive gains. Now, bringing you the talk on Uniswap, dips are normal in crypto. And that's what people actually need to go ahead and understand. So just remember, I know a lot of you guys are first time investors. Okay, it is normal. They're selling it on eBay because they can't wait for the marketplace to open. However, you could get ripped off on eBay. eBay, you might think of it as pretty safe, right? They got reviews, but I will stay away from eBay and I will actually just wait for the marketplace to open. The marketplace, it's already open to some investors on the VV platform that have bought a lot of collectibles and have sold. So they're using them as a beta tester for the marketplace. Marketplace, though, they believe that should be opening by next week, all right, slowly to a couple of investors till it reaches the full amount. Now, guys, let me go ahead and take you to the Ultraman. I'm sorry. Let me take you to the news of the Uniswap drop. Let me go ahead and open that up because Uniswap did go ahead and get delayed. So open that up over here. Let me show you guys the new countdown and why this happened. I'm going to go ahead and explain it to you. It is not false promises from the Ecomi team. Uniswap, 9 days, 5 hours, and 26 minutes. Okay. So, Alpha, is VeVe, is Ecomi a scheme? Are they ripping everybody off? Guys, this is far from a scheme. Okay. These developers, these founders, they're very smart. They have put in a lot of time. They've been working on the Comey platform for about 2 years, or maybe a little bit over 2 years, acquiring these licenses. There is so much money being moved with these licenses, and so much potential and genius pioneers like Alfred Kahn that jumped into VeVe, guys. This is going to go ahead and be big. This is definitely not a scheme. Okay. If anything, your other cryptocurrencies might look more like a scheme than Ecomi. Ecomi is something that's already on the ground. All right. Ecomi has boots on the ground. They're already making money with digital collectibles. They're updating. They have new technology releasing, right? Like the VeVe. They're trying to get into augmented reality goggles as well. They're trying to make this your own virtual space. Like you have your Facebook, like you have your Instagram, your social media space. They're trying to give you your own virtual reality digital space. So, guys, Uniswap, why I got delayed is because the Ecomi devs, the VeVe devs, they're a small group. They're actually hiring right now as well. They did not expect VeVe to have a massive boom. You're talking about in just one quarter, guy, the first quarter in March 1st, VeVe, I believe, released late December. Okay. So we're still in the first quarter. It's only been 3 months because they released late December. So just in March 1st, think about these numbers. They had 20,000 members on their platform. VeVe had 20,000 members on their platform. Right now, guys, the growth is anywhere from 5,000 to 6,000 new members every single day. And now VeVe has members of 80,000 people that already downloaded the VeVe platform. The Ultraman, right? The countdown, I believe, is for this Thursday and usually is 8 a.m. Pacific time. So that'll be 12 p.m. for me, right? Eastern time. And by the time Ultraman comes, they are expecting to have already 100,000 users on the VV platform. So now you're going to be competing against 100 other thousand people. Now, obviously, not 100,000 people are going to be waiting for the Ultraman drop. Some people got work. Some people are just going to forget. Some people are going to wake up late, right? So you might be competing with another 10,000 probably, okay? But guys, that's how fast VV is actually growing. March 1st, there was only 20,000 people on the VV platform. Now we have 80,000 people. And by the time Ultraman comes, I'm expecting 100,000. And by the time 100,000 people get into the VV platform, bro, insane growth. Okay, because people tell people and they advertise. And VV has not even spent money on advertisement. The only thing that VV is doing is fixing up scalability issues, fixing up the platform, fixing up exchanges, acquiring licenses. Because I know one of the questions is, why can't I transfer my OMI to gems? Or why can't I transfer gems to OMI? Or why can't I cash out yet? Right? It's because everything requires a license and they don't have that license yet. They are working on it. Does not mean that they're not going to get it. It's just that they're working on it and it takes time. Same thing with why aren't the Powerpuff Girls in the United States? Why do they have to wait on the market? Because they don't have the license for the Powerpuff Girls to drop in the United States. However, they have DC Comics license to drop in the United States. So you have to buy the Powerpuff Girls. through the marketplace, right? Same thing with Ultraman. Ultraman is big, guys, in Japan and China. Ultraman is the original gangster, the OG superhero of Japan and China since the 1950s, since the 1960s. But guess what? There is no license for them to drop Ultraman in Japan and China. So they're going to be dropping Ultraman in the States and other countries, right? That they have the license for. So guess what? You could actually trade the Ultraman for Powerpuff Girls, right? If you want to, or you could just sell Ultraman to people in Japan and China because they're really gonna go ahead and want that superhero. So the reason why I'm talking about Ultraman is because they either had a decision since VeVe and Ecomi, they're still a small group, guys. They did not expect a massive boom. They had two choices: either work on the Uniswap on the bugs that they had to go ahead and fix for it to drop on March 24th, or actually work on the Ultraman collectible to drop this Thursday. So they had two options, right? So they decided we are a digital collectible platform, VeVe. Okay. And Ecomi runs on VeVe. Ecomi, the OMI token, depends on VeVe for it to grow. Why? Because if there's no platform, there's no VeVe platform, that OMI token is going to go ahead and go down. So if you guys look at the Go chain, right? The Go chain, it's what the OMI token runs on. The Go chain, guys, I'm gonna pull the numbers now so you guys could actually see. The Go chain only has 34,000 members as of yesterday. So that means that only 34,000 people were holding onto OMI tokens. Okay. While VeVe, 880,000 already downloaded the VeVe platform. So as you can see, what is more of a priority? Working on the OMI tokens, getting on Uniswap, or dropping a new collectible, right? Which is Ultraman. You can see the numbers. 34,000 people hold all my tokens. 80,000 people are on the VeVe platform. So which one's bigger? So guys, they're still in the beta phase. Understand that they're still a growing company, and VeVe did go ahead and actually boom. So they had to make a decision, and they actually said, "Okay, we're gonna go ahead and drop this Ultraman because we haven't dropped a collectible. They didn't drop no collectible this week that just passed, so now they're dropping this collectible, um, coming this Thursday, right? So that's why they made that decision. So Uniswap, it is still happening. But the great news is that Uniswap is going to release to be releasing, I believe it's called Uniswap 3.0. And with Uniswap 3.0 hopefully dropping later on this week or by next week when they adapt the OMI token, they're actually going to have cheaper fees than before because right now the Uniswap gas fees for the swap is pretty pricey. But with Uniswap 3.0 coming out, guys, the fees are going to be a lot less. So you can basically split them in half. Okay. That's what we're expecting. So it's going to be an actual win win when it comes to the Ecomi team and when it comes to your pockets as well. So um, it is still a great time, guys. The 31st. We're not talking about next year, March 31st. So what's the panic, right? They're still in beta phase. They're still a smaller company. They are growing, they are adapting, and they're fixing, most importantly, scalability issues. And of course, getting into more exchanges. So it's only a matter of time. Hit the like. This community deserves to grow. Appreciate that, Roman. So now, guys, let me show you the numbers for the Go Chain platform. Okay. Because, like I'm telling you, only 34,000 people hold all my tokens. It probably grew since yesterday. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. A blockchain, guys, is where cryptocurrency runs through. Okay. So it keeps track. It's a ledger. It keeps track of every transaction of the OMI tokens. Every crypto has a blockchain. So this is all public information. All right. For the new ones here that do not know what it is that I'm talking about. So so I believe, guys, as of yesterday, we had grown to 35,193. Okay. I'm not sure if I refreshed it this morning. Let me go ahead and refresh this. So as you see, we got a total of basically 800 more people, 35,889. These are the total holders for the OMI token. And once again, so we have 35,000, right, holding on to OMI, but yet we have 80,000 on the VV platform. What is priority? Dropping a collectible, right? Or getting it on Uniswap. Again, guys, Ecomi will not work if VV does not work. We have way more users, more than double the VV users than people that are actually holding onto all my tokens right now. This is in the beta phase. This is not a platform that's already up and running. It is up and running. However, it's in the beta phase. So it's not 100% complete, guys. It is getting there, and they are working hard to get this working better, faster, and of course, scalability issues. So just understand the numbers and understand the reason why they did this. But guys, it's definitely not a time to go ahead and give up on this. A lot of good things, guys, are coming from the Ecomi platform. They're always updating it with news. They're giving us basically roadmaps, right? If you listen to the videos, but you have to go ahead and be informed. So you could always follow my channel, guys, and I'll go ahead and bring you guys the information. Or, you could even follow Ecomi on YouTube. The videos are kind of long. They could be anywhere from 20 minutes, 30 minutes, to even some are an hour when they talk to the founders, guys. I'm going to be trying to work with one of the founders as well to get them on the live stream. But that takes time, and I would love to get them honestly after the Uniswap drop or after the NFL actually goes ahead and drop. But for now, I don't. I could wait. I would like to get them with more news that are actually coming. So, guys, once again, Ultraman is going to go ahead and drop. Um, Ultraman will drop for the states and other countries. Will not be dropping in Japan and China. Let me see. The Uniswap date is going to be for the 31st. Okay. And let me actually open up my VeVe platform. I just want to make sure that Ultraman's for Thursday. I already did hit the notification button on the VeVe platform. So, guys, go to the VeVe platform and get notified for the Ultraman drop. It drops in 3 days. So, 3 days and 16 minutes. So, yes, that should be on Thursday. And they usually do the drops at 8 a.m. Pacific. Now, talking about the drops, they're going to be dropping weekly from now on. So every week now, they're going to be dropping digital collectibles. And sometimes they're trying to get it now to be multiple drops during the week. So they're working on it, but they're trying to be consistent with dropping at least one every single week. Okay. Easy money. Buy OMI is just a dip. There you go. Listen to this man. Alpha does his research, helps community. Join this Discord, subscribe, and like the stream. Appreciate that, Don. So for the ones that want to join my Discord channel, guys, let me go ahead and put the link on here because I always be forgetting. So let me put the link to the Discord channel for the ones here that want to stay updated, guys. We just don't talk about NFTs. We talk about other cryptocurrencies. I did a video yesterday on how to transfer your OMI tokens to the Trust wallet, and I also have videos talking about how to buy OMI on Bitforex. So this is the Discord link, guys. If you want to go ahead and join the Discord channel, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment below, guys. But I just wanted to come on and do a live stream and talk to you guys about what is going on right now with all my dumping. All right, it's completely normal. What a great time to buy, and I see this spiking up pretty quick. So I just wanted to give you guys a breakdown on what Economy sees more as a priority. Right, they are a digital collectible augmented reality NFT company at the end of the day. So that's what they're going to go ahead and focus on, right? So we are looking at right now 0.0094. So it's recuperating. And that drop to 0.007 was only for maybe a minute or 2 minutes, guys. It happened so quick. And like I said, if I had money, if my money was already cleared, my USDT was already cleared on Anchor USD, I would have been sent this. But sadly, it's still not. So I'm proudly holding, guys, to a whole bunch of OMI tokens. I see so much potential in this project because they're already in the works. The founders, they've been in the collectible system, they've been in the gaming world, and also, right, the licensing pioneer, which they have is Alfred Khan, which Alfred Khan, he's the one that's getting a lot of these licenses, guys, and they're keeping a lot of these licenses under wraps. They're keeping it a secret. So Alfred Khan is the one that brought Pocket Monsters out of Japan, which is what you know now as Pokemon. Okay. So they have that pioneer on their team. So the time to always get into something, guys, is when it is uncertain. By the time it comes certain, everybody got in. So for the ones right now that yes, you can make gains, I sold, but yeah, you sold, but I see so much potential in this, guys. I would not go ahead and sell. I can make a profit right now of probably over $2,000, and I'm not gonna go ahead and sell because I see so much potential in this. And that's the thing about buying and holding. Okay, commit to something, and the dips will not bother you. Instead, once you're committed, you're going to be a lot more knowledgeable, and you're going to make a determination on how well or bad it's doing as time passes. And the dips, they won't even phase you. Okay, it's dipping. Okay, good. Whoa, it rose up 2 more pennies today. Damn, that's awesome. Hopefully it keeps growing. But you're already committed. You know about the project. You see the potential in it. So the dips won't phase you. So to all the amateur people getting on, just learn the basics of cryptocurrency. You could actually get into YouTube Academy, right? Start learning about it and just learn how the system works, but it's all really takes experience and knowledge. Wish I had money transferred during that massive sale. I wish I did too, Joe. I just my money's not cleared. I've been waiting for my USDT from Anchor since last Wednesday. Hopefully I can buy before Uniswap. So yes, Dustin, you'll be able to buy before Uniswap because now Uniswap is going to drop on March 31st. So that's the good thing on it that we're actually going to be able now to get in before Uniswap. So my money will definitely go ahead and clear because, guys, something that I brought up last night. Let me show you this as well. So let me actually open up this link because I saw this last night and I think that is very good information. Let me move my Twitter. So this is Twitter. By the way, guys, if you look at my profile right on Twitter, my name is at Staying Alpha. I am doing this giveaway and I'm going to be giving bigger prizes. This is the VeVe giveaway. Comment below with a fun sentence or rhyme with the word Muka. Must follow, like, and retweet. Okay, so the one sentence that gets the most likes or the one rhyme that gets the most likes, I will go ahead and award them the Muka NFT from VeVe, guys. So as you see, right, we already have 32 retweets, a lot of comments, a lot of likes. Akomi even put a comment in there themselves. I'm not sure where they're at. There you go. We're absolutely loving all the community giveaways, great work. So I started with the Muka guys, but I will be giving bigger prizes that I already have in my collection, just ready to give away. So, I might just give some away during my live streams. I might just give some away during Twitter. But either way, guys, just like, subscribe, follow. I appreciate you guys for following and tuning in every single time. You don't make money buying high and selling low. Absolutely not. Now, talking about that, Crypto King, right? I did want to show this. I always go back to this. I love this tweet, man. I love this tweet a lot. What's up? There you go. I found it. Let me go to my Twitter account. But yes, guys, follow me on Twitter. So if you see this, guys, this is Greg Scone, right? This is something that Hank Denk has shown me, and I love it, man. I always pull it up, no matter what type of coin I am talking about, right? So I wish I had kept my 1700 Bitcoin at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Imagine he sold his Bitcoin at 6 cents, right? I'm sorry, he bought Bitcoin at 6 cents and he sold them at 30 cents. And now they're $8. And this was guys in 2011. How much is Bitcoin now? You're talking about $60,000. That is insane. So he saw a profit from 6 cents to 30 cents, right? Great. Probably saw, a few $1,000s, depends how much he had, or a few hundreds. And then it went to $8. Massive, bro. This dude would have already probably been a millionaire once it went to the $8 mark. Once it went to the dollar, $2 mark, right? All depends on how much he had. But now look where it's at. Imagine you had 1,700 Bitcoin at $60,000, or if you had half of 17,000 Bitcoins, right? At $60,000, guys. So this is why the buy and hold method works. Day traders, they get their bread and butter. Okay. I respect them for it. But when it comes to us, the buy and hold means that you buy and you effing hold. Okay. That's how you make money in the long terms. So always think about guys, Greg Scone. I love to use him as an example because the buy and hold method really works. So let me go through some of your comments. You'll be happy that you bought a house. I'm not sure what that is. 35K. Good stuff, man. Just be putting in, man, what you can, guys. Put in what you can. VeVe is a unicorn. Drop the mic. Holding Doge. Okay, so go, Jill, go. Okay, so guys, now let me go to CoinGecko. There's one thing here that I want to show you as well. So let me go to the CoinGecko site. Greg Scone, baby. Morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Right now it's 10:50. By the way, guys, there is a NBA Top Shot drop today. So if I get in line, if I get into the queue system, I will go ahead and do a live stream. Okay. So it all depends. If I get in the queue system, I will do a live stream. If I don't, I will not do the live stream. But for my NBA Top Shot fans out there, for my users for NBA Top Shots, there is going to be a drop today at 12 p.m. Eastern. So for them, I believe that was 9 a.m. Pacific time. But yes, just go ahead and join the drop an hour before for my people here for NBA Top Shots. Since, I do follow that NFT as well. So, guys, what I wanted to go ahead and show you was on CoinGecko. Let me open up the OMI token. That'll open it. There you go. So we're 0.0095, right? And now what I want to go ahead and show you guys, let me see the historical data. Okay. This is awesome, right? We have the historical data right here. So as you see, guys, March March 3rd, '08, we were at 0.00295 the highest, 0.00264 the lowest. Look at those massive gains, bro, from March 8th. Isn't that insane? Right where we're at? And you guys want to sell? What's wrong with you guys? So look at this ROI. And I was saying 800% lowballing it. Guys, 1551. That's insane numbers, bro. And it's gonna go ahead and double and triple. And the market cap is gonna go ahead and climb up, right? We were at 2.1, now it's at 1.5. But man, guys, that is nothing. This is gonna go ahead and take off, man. So once again, do your due diligence. Do your due diligence because there's so much potential going on here. But at the end of the day, guys, it is your money, and you're the only one that knows what to do with it. What's going on, Mr. Gamer? Oh, Roman bot. So yes, Roman, for this NBA Top Shots, you will not need to have any type of moments in your collection. So you're actually good either way. So you could actually buy this. Will be a base set. Um, so looking back at CoinGecko, right? What I want to show you guys is the markets. Let me show you guys the market, right? So with Bitmax, actually the volume is really high today. For Bitmax is at 40 million right now. The 24-hour volume, right? Let me make sure you guys can see this. Okay, I'm in full screen. So and Bitforex is at 24 million at the time right now. So guys, when OMI was bumping right to 0.0013, when we saw that massive rise put from 0.008 to 0.0013, the Bitmax volume was able to climb up to almost around 80 million and Bitforex to 40 million. So when it's down, right, you're looking at kind of like half to 40 million and 24 million, what we're looking at right now, but it's up since yesterday. So when Uniswap drops, guys, if Bitmax could perform to 80 million, Bitforex to 40 million, Uniswap is going to be doing around 120 million in the 24-hour volume mark. All right. Because Bitmax and Bitforex, people do not like it, especially Bitforex is the only option that we have here in the United States, unless you have a VPN. And I never get myself into VPN. I just don't trust it. So either way, that's my choice, my opinion. Um, but guys, when Uniswap drops, a lot of people are going to prefer Uniswap. So yes, I do believe the 120 million volume valuation point. So just imagine the sales, and that's why I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys a 24-hour volume for Ecomi on how that is doing with Bitmax and Bitforex. Ecomi is not on eToro or crypto. These are just sponsored ads. Okay, so don't worry about that. That has nothing to do with it. And now the last thing, guys, that I want to inform you guys is the market. The market is actually going to be open probably, hopefully, by the end of next week. They already have beta testers on it. But for next week, there will be, guys, market slowly opening to individual users. So it's just a matter of time. But either way, guys, it is right now 11 a.m., almost 5 minutes to 11 a.m. And I will be getting off in the next 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take your questions, your concerns. And if I do manage to get an NBA Top Shot, then I will go ahead and get in line for you guys. But I will let you know when that actually take place. I want to buy OMI, but CoinGecko, another wallet. CoinGecko, what do you mean? If you want to buy OMI, you have to go to Bitforex. That's where you actually have to go ahead and buy your OMI tokens. And if you're outside the United States, then you have to buy it through BitMax. I have a video on Bitforex on how to buy and also how to transfer to the Trust wallet. Appreciate that, Ryan. Had a good day, man. Good luck on the drop. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate you. OMI is going down, down, down. Then why? No, it is not. And if it is, go back to my live stream. And if that doesn't change your mind, then OMI is not for you, right? So you could replay this live stream. Your thoughts on Unicorno? How many of them do you have? The which is Unicorno? Are you talking about the NFT on the app, like Muka, the one that I'm giving away? I don't even know really what cartoons those unicorns are from, to be honest with you guys. Um, Transferring from Coinbase to Bitforex, waiting for deposit to clear on Coinbase. Transfer from Coinbase. Okay, so from Coinbase, you're doing the USDT transfer, correct? So you're probably waiting on your USDT funds to actually go ahead and clear. Flash, no, only Bitforex for US. Yes, Bitforex is the only one for US. What is your end of year price predict for OMI? I have about 300K. So Fiendsta, I really think that when OMI gets on Uniswap, I'm probably thinking anywhere from 2 to 5 cents, massive growth at a parabolic level. And it won't even stop there. That's going to be like OMI hitting Super Saiyan. And as the month keep passing, I see Super Saiyan 2 and Super Saiyan 3 because I am so psyched about this platform and I see so much potential, right? So the VV verse will be coming out mid-year. So let me stop. Let me stop myself. We see Ultraman dropping, we see DeLorean dropping, right? Especially DeLorean. Every time the NFTs are bought, the OMI tokens are burned as well. So if Ultraman comes out for $80, right? Whatever $80 could get you an OMI token, let's say $80 gets you, I don't know, 8,000 OMI tokens now, 10,000 OMI tokens. It depends where the price is at when Ultraman drops. Then that's 10,000 OMI tokens getting burned. So DeLorean drops, right? More thousands and millions, right? With everybody put together, OMI tokens getting burned. So now OMI is creating that scarcity as well. So you're making money on NFTs, but also the scarcity on the OMI tokens when they're getting burned. So every time my NFT gets, sells and they're selling out right now, then all my tokens are getting burned. Now, when all my reaches $1, for example, then if you buy an NFT for $100, then that is only 100 all my tokens getting burned, a lot less than in the thousands, right, per your sell. So that's why I love right now that the price for OMI is actually cheap because people buy NFTs and the OMIs will get burned. So we have Uniswap, we have Ultraman, we have DeLorean, and then of course the NFL, right, dropping sometime in the second quarter. And when NFL drops, they have in the talks that they want to work with athletes to actually drop commercials and promote VeVe. So imagine that's going to be huge. Also, guys, with the market cap that it reached at $2.1 billion when it was at 0.0013, other exchanges are looking. Binance being the biggest exchange in the whole entire world, Coinbase comes second, right? Because Binance is really worldwide. Imagine it gets on Binance. Imagine it gets on Kraken or KuCoin or something. Man, that's gonna be huge. And all these exchanges, guys, they're looking. They're looking how much money Bitforex is making because Bitforex, man, they're making so much money with transferring your money over there. If you transfer Bitcoin, you have to go ahead and transfer it to USDT, so they make more money, and then they actually make money for your OMI tokens when you buy them, and then when you transfer your OMI tokens as well, right? So they're making so much money, man, like two, three times every time a transaction is made because you have to go ahead and convert. So more exchanges, guys, are looking at the OMI token, seeing the market cap, seeing the volume, seeing the numbers that they're pushing out. So the other exchanges, they're like, hold up, wait a minute, we could actually make money here. And also, guys, like I said, the VV platform is growing. It's at 80,000 people right now. March 1st, it only had 20,000 users. So it is growing massively. So by Ultraman, we might have 100,000 users on the VV platform. So by word of mouth, it's going to go ahead and take off. So I'm expecting $1 this year, and that's me kind of aiming a little bit high, but I very much see it possible because of the potential that the VV platform has. And also mid-year, they're looking at the VV verse. So speculation is right that the VV verse will actually work with us getting connected. You're at your house, I am in my house, and we could, jump into our digital space and we could actually interact with our figures and communicate and chat, right? That's pretty cool because they want to make that virtual space just like your Instagram, just like your Facebook, just like your Twitter. You have your social media space. They want the virtual space. So there's a lot of projects coming. Besides that, a lot of projects are actually um, on the hush hush, right? They're in the wraps. They're not stating what other licenses they actually have and other projects and cool stuff that they're working on. Because since VV is in its early stages, they're waiting for more people to come in so they could actually do these drops, right? Because right now they're fixing the scalability issues, they're fixing the patching it up, the bugs, and just working out the platform and making it better. So they'll probably be announcing, all these other bigger brands as time moves on. So they already have some cool stuff, guys. If I already showed you guys the Star Trek, the spaceship, right? That they already have the Samurai Joker figure. Um, so the DeLorean, the Batmobile, the Ghostbuster mobile. So they have very cool stuff that they just haven't released a drop date, guys. They're just waiting for more people to go ahead and get on. So imagine from 20,000 people March 1st to 100,000 people, probably by Ultraman. That's great. 80,000 people currently on the platform. I plan to get 100K, but only distracted me. Definitely same thing with me. Changed my plans. I have three wallets, three exchanges, and I'm trying to simplify and streamline the process in order to keep passwords down to a minimum. Yes, I agree. And too bad that we don't have an exchange that could actually, right, uh, make you available to buy all the coins. But yes, so you see, great time to buy a 7, but 1 penny is still good. Yo, will you take a look at the Decentraland when you get a minute and see if it interests you? It doesn't interest me, Roman. Decentraland does not interest me because I don't like the gameplay. So if I don't like the gameplay, it just doesn't fit with me. I like VeVe because I like the figures and I can see a lot of little kids getting into it. But the gameplay in Decentraland is like I see other games beating Decentraland. I don't like it. I don't like the graphics. It's cheaply made. I just don't like it. So now it's making money. It is booming. It is, but it's I don't like it. I think it's boring in my opinion. Okay, but that's the reason. But it does make money, so it's up to you. I just see it falling later because I don't like it. I don't like the gameplay. It's cheaply made. Same thing with engine. I see a lot of the engine games just boring. So yes, you might have rewards of up to 100 Bitcoin laying around, and I don't know 1,000 VV tokens laying around. But if the game's boring, who the hell's gonna play it? Not me. I mean, I only could play a boring game for so long, and if I can't find a Bitcoin in the first 15 minutes, I'm gone. Oh man. I think Alpha don't want to make up the miss for his kids. I'm not sure what you're talking about there. Saying graphics are lame. I'm on board with Omi. Can you speak on the future of common NFTs? So, can you speak on the future of common NFTs? Keen Teak, the common NFTs for VeVe, they're still going to be value a lot of money. I slept on that Batman that was common. I forgot the artist name right now. I'm having a brain fart. The McFarlane, I think it was McFarlane Batman, and that's going to be worth a lot of money, right? That's speculation. But just look at the bubbles. Bubbles for Powerpuff Girls is a common NFT, and there's reselling bubbles, right? The resale value is estimated at $2,000, bro. That's insane, right? So again, I did show King Teak um, a list yesterday. So let me try to pull up that list as well today, so I could actually show you guys on here on the stream. I'll probably show this stream. I'll show this list and probably be on for like 2 more minutes. So let me open this up one more time for you guys to see. Right now, I think that these offers on this list, guys, is actually lowballed because a lot of the price has changed and scarcity has built up even more, right? But over here, guys, we're looking at the VV Masters. They're conducting this list. And for example, right, the Eduardo Rizzo Batman, which is the second one, it was 69.99 and is valued at 2,000 to $3,500. But people are selling that Eduardo Rizzo for a lot more money. So let me show you. Todd McFarlane, you see, that's the one that you're talking about. That's common that I had mentioned, but there's no price on here yet. Oh yeah, there is. Look, 200 or $1,200. And honestly, guys, I could see that going all the way to 10K. All right, just for being a common because of the artist itself. When you're looking at the NFT, right? This is something that I actually learned later. You don't want to look at just if it's rare, ultra rare, secret rare. Learn the artist behind it and see how popular that artist is. Also, if it's a first edition or first appearance, right? You're gonna go ahead and raise up the value a lot from there. So now let me show you the last one. I wanted to show you Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. Let me find it. Let me find it. Where is Bubbles? Okay, so here goes Bubbles over here. Common, right? It was common. It was 17.99, and it's anywhere from 2,000 to $3,000. Why? Because it's Bubbles. People love Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. All right, so that's really what I think of it, because there's no artist name behind it, but it has value. Okay, it has even more value than Mojo Jojo. So, guys, don't sleep on the comments. One way to go by it is look at the artist. If people are loving the artist, how many people are actually following that artist? Is the artist actually on Twitter? Is he on Instagram? Does he have a massive audience? Right? Was his comic book turned into a movie? Was it the comic book, the best selling comic book there was for that figure? So there's history behind each figure that VeVe actually drops. Like one of the Harley Quinns was from like a 1963 or 1943 comic book. All right. So that's why the Harley Quinn one, the one that she's kind of like dashing the Harley Quinn red and white series. I wish I could have that one because it's so old and there's so much history behind it. So just understand that even though it's a common, it could have a lot of history. It could have a good artist. It could have a strong community behind it. what comic book did it come from? So that's why it's good to actually know. Actually, like that price dips more equal OMI. Yes, sir, definitely. But either way, guys, not sure what you're talking about, King T. No price uncommon. I'm not sure, King Tig. You have me on Discord, so just message me on Discord. Not sure what you mean by that. But either way, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys. Oh, look, what's going on, Bruce? How many children? Mommy, I want it. Yes. Exactly. Exactly. And parents are gonna go ahead and give it, guys. Like the Grand Theft Auto games, the Fortnite, it's like the kids all want those skins. And like the Fortnite skins could range from $20 to like $100 a pack. Grand Theft Auto is like, man, like $50 to like upgrade your vehicle and stuff. So it's crazy. The NBA Top Shot is going to be coming at 12 p.m. Eastern time for me, guys. So I will be doing a live stream if I actually go ahead and qualify. But guys, stay strong, stay knowledgeable. That's why I did go ahead and get on this live stream. I hope you guys enjoy this. Do not go by other people's FUD. There's a lot of FUDders, especially on the VeVe Telegram. Sad to say, the Discord group for VeVe I see is a lot more powerful, guys. Don't forget. By the way, let me go ahead and show this one more time. If you guys want to participate on my Twitter giveaway for the Muka, guys, then go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Let me open that up one more time. And don't be this guy. Don't be Greg Scone, right? Selling his Bitcoin from 8 cents to 30 cents. That's crazy. And Bitcoin now is worth 80,000. So guys, my Twitter is at Staying Alpha. If you giveaway, comment below with a fun sentence or rhyme with the word Muka and just follow, like, and retweet. All right. I'll be announcing a winner today at 6 p.m. And the winner all depends on who has the most likes. All right. So it all depends on who has the most likes. I know Lord Dabad, posted on here as well. Dad, they're in the yard. Who's in the yard? All the boys, my Muka. So it all depends, right? Anything funny, any sentence that you have, just go ahead and post it on here. Gonna fly to the moon by this Muka, bazooka, damn Muka, you're a Luca. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't matter, guys. Just go ahead and comment, like, retweet. Either way, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys later on if I do make it in line for the NBA Top Shots. Everybody competing for NBA Top Shots, good luck. Put in what you can in your investments, guys. Don't put all your eggs in one basket either, but do not diversify yourself too much where you're cutting yourself thin. Either way, guys, have a productive week. Happy Monday. And with that said, always remember, stay alpha.